Welcome to the new episode of Flora in the Kitchen. We will introduce to you how this cocktail drink is being made. This is an Italian cocktail drink. It requires 4 basic ingredients plus ice cubes. One of the ingredients is Aperol. Ayan. And then, this soda water or sparkling water. Aqua frizzante po ito dito. Next is Prosecco. This is the sparkling white wine. Or you can use dry white wine. Then we need grapefruit or the most common orange. Then we will slice this grapefruit thinly. You have to use a sharp knife or else you will not slice this perfectly. The juice should never be squeezed into the wine glass or into our cocktail. This cocktail drink was originally born around 1920 to 1930 in the Veneto region of Italy during the official presentation of Aperol drink at the Padua Fair in 1990. It's Veneto region's signature cocktail, particularly in the two cities like Venice or Venezia sa Italian language and city of Padua or Padova. So, let's follow their original recipe. If you visit Venice or Padua, try to taste their signature drink, Aperol Spritz. Okay, almost finished. Let's cut this part carefully. Let's hope not to cut my fingers. Let's now start making our Aperol Spritz. This spritz must always be prepared in a wine glass or a lowball glass. These glasses allow the ingredients to mix correctly and will not evaporate, in which the flavor will stay longer. Now, I will open all the bottles first so that I can pour them easily and quickly. I'm sorry that you hear also some noise because my husband is here near with me preparing also some dishes for our New Year's Eve. Okay, let's open this last Prosecco. One reminder, you should never make your spritz in advance because the flavor will be lost and the ice would melt. Now the bottles are all open, let's start making Aperol Spritz. The ratio should be 3 parts Prosecco, 2 parts Aperol, and 1 splash of soda water. First step, let's fill our wine glass with ice cubes. I just put some ice because my bottles are already chilled. Now, among these bottles, we must put first the Prosecco, the sparkling white wine. Prosecco should be 3 parts of all the ingredients. Next to put is the Aperol. Just add 2 parts of the Aperol. To follow the original recipe and obtain a traditional Italian spritz cocktail, you don't have to change the order of the ingredients when making Aperol Spritz. Don't change the order of the recipe because the final result will change. The Aperol is heavier than Prosecco or white wine. As we can see now, it deposits to the bottom and are now mixing naturally as it goes down at the bottom of the wine glass. Next, our third bottle, add a splash of soda water or sparkling water. In Italian language, this is called aqua frizzante. Lastly, drop a slice of orange. Mine is grapefruit. Again, in original recipe here in Italy, the juice should never be squeezed into the cocktail. Pomelo or orange serves only as a garnish. Then, we can top it with a slice of pomelo or orange. Orange is the classic garnish of the cocktail, but I'm using grapefruit to add a little bit bitter taste. Okay, done our cocktail drink, the Aperol Spritz. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang episode na ito ng Flora in the Kitchen at sana ay patuloy kayo sumubaybay sa mga recipe pang aking babahagi sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli, Happy New Year! Maraming salamat po!